Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to prune carnations. Now there's many different types of plants that are related to carnations, and they all grow about the same. They like full sun and they'll do really well. But there's times of the year when they're blooming and done blooming that they look really ratty, and you think that you've killed them and that they don't look good. So what do? How do you prune them? So my philosophy on any plant, if it has ratty, brown, or icky greenery on it, trim it back to the part that looks good. And then that way it'll come up and fill up again. So as these dianthus keep blooming, they're carnations related, they'll just send out seeds. Now you can just pinch those out as they get done blooming. Or a lot of times they'll pull too much, so it's easier to trim with scissors, and I'll just trim any of the ratty looking starts out. And it seems the more you trim, the more blooms they give you, so it's very good to trim them back here and there. So wherever they look ratty, just trim them down. But make sure you leave some leaves from the bottom and even some roots, because then they'll shoot up more starts. But here and there, I just like to trim out a few of the dead leaves, and then the flower seeds, you can save those seeds and start them again the next spring, or even just plant them in the same area. Just make a bigger and bigger clump. So remember to keep trimming out the old flowers on your carnations, especially if they get long and lanky. They probably need more sun. But the thing is, once you trim out the ratty looking flowers, it makes room for the new flowers to grow. So you really can't prune a carnation too much. As long as it's got roots and some sun and some greenery on the bottom of it, it'll keep growing blooms.